with a small one. And then take your floral cutters, looking at it from all sides as you go. Okay, so don't freak out if you start breaking off pieces. They're too hairy with your floral. Oop, that one didn't go in. I'm not sure this is the right bundle to do it with. And that can count as one of your, add a pine cone, one of your smaller pine cones, and that want just another touch of brown, so brown above brown, but two different. It's the one you want to make in the, put in the higher spot. All of your pieces in there now. I do have one piece of Soteria left.